Hello all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for Google Maps. If selecting any particular one website, how to advertise by Google Maps option. So already the intimate will be here. This is CCTV installation services in Madinagoda will be here. So I can copy this keyword, paste it. I'm just adding will be CCTV dealers and installation services Madinagoda, Hyderabad. Copy this post. Google Maps selection purpose business.google.com/location. Write down the URL business.google.com/location. This is the Google Map URL. After this URL, which email you are logging, first of all check it out. The email will be open your particular Google Map location like this. Any map you have eligible, we can show will be like this option. This is the particular Google Map location. In a Google Map location, what are the views this month? Edit profile, read reviews, messages, add photos. In message time, compulsory you have to, this message will be turn on web notification mandatory field. What are the maps you done? Turn on messages will be web notification. Add photo, performance, advertise, everything. Regular updation is called add update. In add update time, add update, add offer, add events. And right now any offer. Just I'm going the add update. What add update? Anyone looking for CCTV dealers and install services in Madinaguda. Anyone looking for this service? What we can upload image, select image. Image was selected. After image, you have to do one task. We can click this one. Complete cursor will be given complete image. Save it. After this, copy the title, enter. What is the content we can give will be here. Copy, paste, RL, copy link. This is a number of post. Book now, order online, buy, learn more, sign up, call now. When click the call now option, automatic phone number visible. But I have to generate by the website traffic. Click the button, post it. The post will be done. After post, click for done. They can visible total full image. If his image will be off, your posting is wrong. Your posting is wrong. What we can do? Click this, edit the post. Edit the post, you will be, this post is wrong. Close it. Add the one second post. At a time, applicable by 10 photos. More than 10, not applicable. Upload here. Image 1 second upload. After upload, only one option you have select. Crop, full image selected or not. Crop it. Full image will be selected or not. Save it. Post it. The post done by properly done. The post will be clear. After this, close. What is that? Add photo. What are the photo you will design? Add your photos. Select your photo and upload it. These are the photo options. One is add update. Second will be what are the photo you designed today? The photo upload by the Google Map option. Violate content don't use and violate images. Some like knife images, anything don't use the particular Google Map thing. Blade related images or any kind of horror images don't use on the Google Map posting. Very small images, very useful image utilize and use the proper content. So this is a method we have to use for Google Mapping posting purpose. That is, what are the activities that all will be give the performance option. So what are the performance they given by here? Everything we can give by a particular option. So this is the performance, everything. How many calls you received? Everything will be into the performance mode. Based on regular post, the Google Map performance will be increased. So this is the compulsory you can follow each and every Google Map location. If any further question, please contact my channel. Will definitely will be help you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.